Welcome, and front of me is a POCO M5, and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into Fastboot mode. Now to get started, you'll want to power off the device by holding the power key. Once the phone turns off, hold the power and volume down at the same time. And as you can see, once the device boots up, or once you see the POCO logo, it will boot straight into Fastboot mode. So that is how you would access it. Now to leave Fastboot mode, all you would need to do is hold the power key. There we go. Once the Fastboot mode disappears, you can let go, and I believe the phone should turn on automatically. If not, you can just hold the power key once more. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.